This is Dumabag Inisita. We're having a birthday party here for the church lady in the Saint Jane the Chantal Church. This is the celebrant.
That was like 2 stories, and it's like a.
That's the celebrant there. Baby, happy birthday, baby. This is Father. I am a vlogger, Father. This is Father Peter.
Hello again.
Dumabag Vlog is the name of my vlog. And we're having a party here. This is Dumabag Inisita having a party with Father,
Peter.
with all the church ladies here. And ladies, I'm gonna
But anyway,
vlog this.
it's
I'm gonna
funny.
vlog this
Oh,
later.
sorry.
Dumabag Inisita, Father.
Yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it.
And these are the ladies.
Hello.
here.
Hello.
Hi, happy birthday! Happy birthday. And then the other
Masyadong-
lady, this is
Happy birthday!
other lady. That's Ella
Happy
there.
birthday!
Ella there. And that's Nitz there. I'm vlogging. This is Doctor, Miss Doctor.
Me and my doctora. Okay. Oh.
There are all church ladies. And that's Father Santi there. I'm vlogging. I'm videotaping.
What is it? What is it?
This is Dumabag Inisita vlog, Father.
Yes.
That's my friend there. These are all church people. Recording.
Where is Father Vito coming?
Ano ba ako? Magsalita ako. This is Dumabag Inisita having a birthday celebration. This is Father Santi. Thank you for watching Dumabag Inisita vlog. Boop.